I guess the countries at most risk across Europe, you would say, is Germany, Netherlands, and Poland. Is that right? Because they've made the biggest cuts to gas consumption to date?
Actually, they're in a relatively good position going into winter. They have relatively high gas storage levels and have managed to cut gas consumption that is so crucial to get through a winter where we expect to have a much lower supplies than what we would like to. The country most at risk at this point appears to be Italy, where very little gas consumption savings have been made to date, and which is most at risk if supplies are disrupted going further.
This emergency meeting that's being held on Friday, what do you expect EU ministers to discuss and the solution they'll come forth with?
There's currently a flurry of activity at national and EU level coming up with different fiscal and regulatory interventions in the energy markets to bring down the prices for consumers and to safeguard businesses. Currently, there seems to be consensus around imposing some sort of revenue cap on energy producers that sell into the grid, particularly for electricity producers. There is some consensus on windfall taxation to be taxing the large profits that renewables and other producers with low operating costs are currently making, and also to subsidize the bills or to use those windfall taxes to ease the pain on the most vulnerable. New suggestions are coming in to impose a price cap on gas from Russia and potentially other suppliers, as well as other measures that may come later on. It's currently a moving field. We'll find out how the chips fall probably later this month.
How bad could it get this winter?
Well, the biggest risk that we saw a couple of months ago when the Russian supplies of gas dropped massively was gas rationing, as in physical shortages. That would require hard rationing and basically shutting down parts of the economy, parts of industry, which would mean severe recessions. Where we are now, we see this risk as much less likely, given the very positive developments on the supply side and on the refilling of storages, even without Russian gas. So currently, we just foresee that governments will need to step in to, on the one hand, subsidize the most vulnerable, but at the same time also bring in measures to suppress energy demand because we simply don't have enough energy as we would like to. And these two goals are contradictory. So it is a fine balancing act, but at the moment we just see the price mechanisms and the high cost of gas and electricity as being the big key risk to the economy rather than physical shortage.
So if this energy crisis is going to lead to a deeper recession across Europe, how do ECB policymakers respond? There is a interest rate meeting tomorrow.
Correct. Well, the ECB, just like other major central banks, are currently preoccupied with inflation first and foremost. They want to prevent the de-anchoring of inflation expectations. Now, if you look at previous crises, during the Eurozone sovereign debt crisis, we had the whatever it takes, which backstopped the sovereign debt markets in Southern Europe. During the COVID pandemic, we had an unconditional asset purchase program that's wound down now. And going into this crisis, it's much less favorable for governments, where the ECB seems to be intent on providing much less support. And so.
Yeah, I was just curious, does this mean that the euro just weakens even more against the dollar then?
Well, the euro is primarily driven by the disastrous terms of trade for Europe and the recession that we're entering. The US is in a much better position. And so we expect it to continue to outperform and the euro to remain weak for the foreseeable future, as we don't see a sort of return to business as usual with Russia, which would unlock the gas supplies that we're so missing in Europe.